look guys. Tadam! Chicken pasta na buy one take one.
Guys, nandito kami sa Festive Walk Iloilo. Dito kami sa Big Biz. Monday kasi ngayon, tas buy one take one ng pasta. Ito siya guys. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, orderin lang namin yung buy one take one na pasta.
Hi guys! Nandito kami ngayon sa Big Biz Festive Walk. Masarap yung carbonara nila. Dapat itry nyo kasi buy one take one to pag Monday. Yung buy one take one pasta, yung 330 pesos either carbonara or yung spaghetti. Mas mura yung super duper spaghetti. Ito pala yung dinagdag namin sa order namin, yung food trip platter. Wow, look guys. Tadam! Chicken pasta na buy one take one. May chicken pa yan na ano.
Kita nyo guys, may bacon, may chicken breast.
Yes.
Tapos may bread.
Ito yung in-order namin. It's buy one take one
Wow.
pasta.
No,
Chicken. Creamy chicken pasta. Sarap.
Guys, before, lagi namin in-order to every Monday. Kasi every Monday lang buy one take one eh. Favorite kasi ito ng asawa ko, yung carbonara. Ito daw yung best ba na carbonara. One of the best.
Ito lahat ng in-order namin. Buy one take one pasta. Tsaka yung dinagdag namin na order is yung food trip platter.
Guys, tara kain tayo. Ayan, pasta, tsaka yung food trip platter. Ano masabi mo?
Yes, creamy, tsaka masarap. Lasang yung bacon and yung chicken.
Sulit.
Yes.
Sulit to pag buy one take one. Cracklings.
Sarap.
1 out of 10.
9.
9 daw siya guys. Favorite na favorite niya talaga to.
Nasa taas na. Ay,
Yeah, cheers. Guys, tapos na kaming kumain. Tapos naghahanap kami ng tatambayan. Kape ba tayo? Kape? Kape tayo. Uwi na lang.
uwi na lang.